Greenconn's mold workshop is focused on precision manufacturing, with every process controlled to meet strict quality standards. The CNC area is equipped with 2 high-precision Baofeng CNC machines, with machining accuracy up to 0.02 mm. Working alongside 1 engraving machine and 4 milling machines, the integrated setup maintains stable parameters throughout roughing and finishing, ensuring high-precision forming of complex structural components. The grinding area has 14 manual and 2 automatic grinders. Technicians control critical tolerances through consistent operation, ensuring that surfaces and edges meet design specifications. Repeated calibration and inspection of fine details further ensure machining consistency. The EDM area is equipped with 2 Mitsubishi EDM machines and 1 Mirrordick unit, achieving machining accuracy of up to 5 micrometers, suitable for precision processing of complex and high-demand mold components. The wire cutting area features a Cutex and Cebu slow-wire EDM equipment, with accuracy up to 2 micrometers and a minimum wire diameter of 0.1 millimeters. It is also equipped with 4 medium-speed wire cutting machines, meeting the precise cutting requirements for diverse materials and complex structures. Relying on standardized processes, advanced equipment, and proven expertise, Greenconn ensures stable and reliable mold quality, providing a solid foundation for high-standard connector production.